Lush forests and fields and meadows covered with wildflowers, crystal clear waters reflecting a dazzling sky, and light breezes wafting through the pure air. That was planet Earth a long time ago. Human exploitation and development of the natural bounty of the earth has polluted and poisoned the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil in which we grow our food. Fruits and vegetables contain far less vitamins and minerals than even 10 years ago due to global climate change, contaminants in the soil, the use of preservatives, and excessive processing. The popularity of fast food means most of us do not eat enough fruits and vegetables, and it is not hard to question if we are really getting enough vitamins and minerals in our diet to maintain optimum health. Stress causes the metabolism to utilize more vitamins and minerals, and unless there is a higher level of quality micronutrients coming into the body, our metabolisms cannot adapt and our health suffers. For the average career-minded person, relaxation is not always possible. Society is getting more regulated and bureaucratic, and the business world more complex. So if most of us want to build a career, we have to bear the burden of added stress. Over the past 100 years, mankind has gradually grown apart from each other. Despite the fact that in the 21st century, we live in the richest, most abundant society ever in history, many people feel unfulfilled and alienated. Moreover, society in general appears to be getting more intolerant and fragmented. The great Russian economist Nikolai Kondratiev discovered that certain macroeconomic and social trends in the past were responsible for corresponding phases in the development of mankind. He theorized that such trends could be used to predict future human development. According to Kondratiev, health and wellness will be the megatrend of the first half of the 21st century.
What's fantastic with Calavita is that we have thousands of successful people. We have our share marketing system in which we share all the knowledge, all the experience. We have fantastic products. You see, our system is based on sharing, and the fact is the more we share, the more successful we are. We also believe that you cannot be successful until you help other people become successful. This is the base of our business. In fact, this has been Calavita's guiding philosophy since 1991. And the success of Calavita today shows that this philosophy is the right one.
Founded in 1991, Calavita International is at the forefront of the health and wellness revolution. Calavita currently operates in 35 countries worldwide, and the list of countries is growing every year.